Hi, my name is Basha. I'm a pyro artist burning since 2010, and I'm on a mission to share everything I know and show you everything I own when it comes to pyrography. This design that I'm burning is actually a template from the book I will be reviewing in this video. This is the Wood Burning Community Book of Templates, Volume 1 by Rachel Strauss. This book is a collection of designs from artists in our incredibly talented and diverse pyrography community. It showcases 57 template designs from 34 wood burning artists from around the globe. There are two parts to this book: the templates that you can practice with and instructions on how to wood burn. There are some examples of the artist's finished pieces and a quick start guide on transferring these very designs onto wood, and of course instructions on how to wood burn them. One of my favorite parts of the books is showing how one design, Rachel's poppy, looks when other artists burn it. It's super cool to be able to see the same template in everyone's different style. Then we get into the template section. The collection of designs includes radial symmetry, patterns or mandalas, florals, animals, nature pieces, frames, and more. The intention is to help artists hone in on their craft with design templates that they actually enjoy. Not everyone feels like drawing something from scratch every time they burn, or feels comfortable burning freehand, and that's totally fine. Sometimes you just want to trace a design and focus on the burn itself, or on getting the feel of the pen, or practicing your flow. That's actually why we created the Community Book of Templates, so you can jump right into the fun part without the pressure of coming up with your own artwork. It's about making the wood burning process more accessible, relaxing, and joyful, especially when you're starting out or getting back into it. This book offers a variety of styles and difficulty levels to choose from. And what's really cool is that you can connect with these artists by burning their designs and sharing it with them through social media, privately or publicly, of course. Each artist has their handle on their art, so you can easily find them. Let me know in the comments if you've tried any of templates from this book, or if you tried any from the other two books in the series. I would love to know what you thought about them. If you want me to review any other books, leave these in the comments as well. I'll be reviewing a bunch more very soon. I'll also be reviewing more tools and accessories that I use when I wood burn, so stay tuned and thank you for watching.